Hello.
Hello.
Hi
Good
there.
morning.
Good morning. My name is Jeff. What's your name?
Okay.
Oh, are you still there? Hello. Oh, are you there?
Hello.
Hi there.
Yeah, hi, I'm here. I'm here. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Okay. My name is ifham. I'm from Pakistan.
hmm where are you living right now?
Right now, I'm living in Pakistan, in my hometown, Waziristan.
Oh, okay. And what do you do there?
Basically, I'm a student of university. I'm pursuing my master's degree in English literature. And I have already done a CCI degree in education, and
hmm
already I'm graduated along with I have done some diploma in computer as well.
Oh, okay. Okay. So, what are your plans after you finish your master's degree?
Sorry, I didn't get you. Sorry.
Yeah, what are you planning to do after you finish your master's?
Yeah, I'm planning to pursue MPhil in English because I'm very enthusiastic to get too much degree in English because it is my passion, and I'm looking forward to pursue my MPhil in English. If I get a chance, I will pursue PhD as well if I get a chance. But right now. I have been teaching to students at private
hmm
academy, so
hmm
I want to get experience along with something about English language. English, I like it. It's my passion.
Right, right. Well, that's great. Yeah, that sounds pretty good. So, how
Yeah.
long have you been teaching?
I have been teaching for about 3 years.
hmm
I teach a basic English course. We call level one up to level four. I teach 4 books and along with little a bit grammar. And I teach computers courses as well.
Right.
Approximately, I teach 14 or 12 programs which are regarding to computer.
hmm Wow. So, sounds like you are very busy, right? You stay busy?
I want to be busy because nowadays everyone in my hometown, they're busy in their work. So
Right.
I want to be busy in my time because I don't want to be alone. I like to work with the people. I would like to get
hmm
experience. So that's why I'm so busy. So
Right.
here it's morning. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. So just
hmm
I came to my office now, and after 1 year, I will be starting my work.
hmm Okay. Okay. So, are you interested in signing up with Cambly?
Cambly, why not? I'm very interesting, here because I have been using the Cambly for the last 2 years.
Oh, okay.
I think I have, yeah. I'm very excited about Cambly. It's a huge platform.
Right, right. Yeah, and yeah, it's a great platform to use for people
Yeah,
that want
it's
to
great.
improve their
Uh, but
English.
Jeff, I would like to ask you about Cambly. How can I subscribe to a teacher? And I don't know about some methodology. I'm looking forward to subscribe a teacher
You
to
mean
to to.
you want to teach on Cambly?
No. I don't like to teach, but I like to
Oh,
get experience. Now I have some minutes, but I am not a subscriber of anyone, so I'd like to subscribe one teacher here. So how?
yeah. Well, I can send you a link after we finish speaking here, and it'll have
Okay.
more information about subscribing. And
Oh, thank
once,
you. Thank you.
yeah, and once you subscribe, you can just go through all the tutors' profiles and find one you like and schedule a reservation with them. And there you go.
Oh,
It's
thank you.
very easy.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's very easy.
I will follow your link. Thank you. So,
Okay.
Jeff,
Yeah.
I have, okay, my time is about to finish. So,
Right.
thank you so much for the big conversation. I'm so glad about it.
You're
Thank you.
welcome. Take care. Bye. Good luck.
Bye. Bye.